What's happening? It's your boy Brahim. I just wanted to personally invite you to a small event that we're hosting tomorrow. We have the creator of the Legacy Builders program, Michelle O'Neill, who turned digital products into a 7-figure business in 22 months. She's coming to speak to our community. She's going to be sharing with you what worked for her, what she would have done differently, and just answer questions about becoming a 7-figure earner in such a short time. One thing I know is that if you want to be where if you want something, you have to be around and talk to the people that are where you want to be. So hosting this event tomorrow, we go live at 6 p.m. Eastern time. There is a small $5 fee, and the reason why is because this is not some big public event. It's a small, focused event that we are having inside of our community, and $5 is just for to keep the room serious, right? So if you are even a little bit serious about building an online business, I highly recommend that you be in the room. The link is right here. Grab your spot and see y'all tomorrow at 6 p.m.